lovers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making my May 2021 customer thank you cards. So, I'm going to make one with you on camera because I've already made the rest. So, we're going to be using the Seascape stamp set along with the coordinating dies that you can purchase in a bundle. The dies are Sea Life dies. There's only 2 dies on the sheet because I have the other ones off to the side. But I wanted to show you that these 2 dies do not cut the image completely out. These are the fish and the seahorse. So this is what they do. They just partially die cut them out. So you could either do it like that, or you can take your paper snips and you can just cut from line to line here, and that'll release it on that side. And you'll take this one from this line to this line, cut, and then just snip right here at the head. Let me see if it'll be easier to do it this way. Pop him up, just snip. And snip. Did I snip it? Did I snip it? There we go. So you just make, what was that, 4 cuts? And you can take them out. So either way, you can have them popped up out of the paper, or you can cut them all out completely. But the dies do not cut them out. I just wanted to make sure you knew that. So let's get that out of the way. We're also going to be using the watercolor shapes in this, and we're going to be using the Pattern Party Host Designer Series paper. So this paper you can only get if you have a order or a party total of $180 or more. Well, $150 will get you $15 in host rewards, and then you can just pay $3 difference. But if you want to get it completely free, it needs to be $180 and your totals before tax and shipping. And of course, before we get started, we're going to get to our buzzworthy business of the day. Again, you still have time to take advantage of the Connect, Craft, and Collect $25. This promotion is for customers and hostess. So if you want to host a party, which means you just collect a couple of orders from your friends and family, and your total is $250 or more, you will get an extra $25 in Stampin' Rewards. Stampin' Rewards is free money to go towards purchasing any items you want in the catalog on Stampin' Up. So that is what you get for $250 worth of orders for yourself or a party. So either way you want to do it, you have till June 14th of 2021 to do that. Next up, we have our paper pumpkin. This is the Expressions in Expressions in Color paper pumpkin kit, which you have till June 10th, 2021 to subscribe to get this particular kit. This kit coordinates with the Expressions in Ink product suite in the annual catalog. So I would really love for you to subscribe for the paper pumpkin. That link is in the description box below. Just click it and you can subscribe. You can subscribe for 1 month at a time. You can do 3, 6, or 12 months prepaid, however you would like to do it. Then our last order of business is our Join Plus special. You only have a couple of more days to take advantage of this. This is it ends on the 31st of this month in 2021. It is where you purchase our starter kit, which is originally $99. And instead of $125 worth of product, you will be getting $155. So that is an extra $30. With this purchasing the starter kit, you get free business supplies, free shipping. You also get 1 paper pumpkin kit. You don't get the current one. Well, sometimes you might, I'm not sure. They just send you out random paper pumpkin kit with your starter kit. So I would love to have you join Honeybee Stamping Hive. This would be so awesome. I had a goal to bring on 2 team members this month during this promotion. I have gotten 1 team member signed up. I am looking for my second. I would love to have you join our team. We are a new team. I only have 2 team members so far. So you would be the 3rd if you join during this special, my 3rd, 4th, 5th, and on. I would love it, love it, love it to have you here. So that is all the business we have to take care of. So let's get stamping. Let me show you what we're going to be making. This is the card. I don't usually show you ahead of time, do I? But since I've made them already, why not? So we're going to be making this card. And I have some supplies already cut out, some of them. These supplies are for the inside. We have basic white at 3.5 by 4 3/4. And the Pacific Point is 5 by 3 3/4. And this is from the designer series paper. That is what is left over from cutting down my card front mat. So that would be, I'm not sure. Let's see. Let's see what this would be. Okay, it's 3/4 of an inch by 6. This, I cut it a little smaller, so it's 3 7/8 by 5 1/8 with a mat of 5 1/4 by 4. Then we have some more basic white at 2.5 by, no, it's 2.5 by 3 3/4. Then the mat is 2 5/8 by 4, no, I'm sorry, 3 7/8, 3 7/8. Okay. Then we have some scrap white for stamping, and we need to cut our card base using the thick Whisper white. Let me get that because I forgot. I ran out of card bases. So we're just going to cut this at 5 1/2. Well, actually, I'm going to score it first because I use the thick Whisper white only for card bases. So I'll go ahead and score it at 4 1/4. Turn it and cut it at 5 1/2. That way I have 2 card bases done at one time. There you go. So now we're ready to get everything done. So let's go ahead and fold our card base and burnish that. And we're going to go ahead and glue some pieces together. And I have some multi-purpose liquid glue here. And we're just going to put some glue on this. You guys, I have been so busy that I am filming this video at what time? 11:12 Friday night. And I'm supposed to go, my videos usually go live at midnight. So I am trying to get this done. Okay, let's go ahead and get our inside done. Where's my piece? We're gonna glue this. Where's my silicone mat? I don't want to get glue on my new background. Did you guys notice that? I got a new background, a new mat for my desk. Cause that other one, I couldn't clean it. I kept trying to, but whatever's on there won't come off. So, and I like that one because it's stiff. This is a soft mat. I'd rather have a stiff one. Just gonna cut this down. Then we're gonna add this to the mat. There we go. And then we'll add this to the inside of the card. There we have it. And I'm going to do more to the inside in a moment, but let's get some stamping done. So the first thing we're going to do is stamp some fish. So I have some Mango Melody here, and I'm going to stamp one fish in mango. And one in Calypso Coral. Let me clean my stamp off. I'm gonna do one in Calypso Coral. Oh, that is so pretty. I love the Calypso coral. We're done with that. So now, these fish, we're gonna fussy cut them out. I've already done one, so you don't have to sit and watch me cut more than one of these out. I usually don't fussy cut because I do wear glasses, and I really need to bring this closer to me to see. So if it's not perfect, I've already got some cut out ahead of time just in case I messed up on this one. And it's not looking good for this tail area. But there we go. It's done. Okay, so what else? Okay, now we're gonna use the Stamparatus. I have already put some stamps on here. And what we're gonna do is gonna take our, what is this? The 2.5 by 3 3/4 piece of basic white. And we're gonna ink up the stamp from the watercolor shapes in Pool Party. Hopefully this is where I left it. Oop. Stamp that down. Then we're gonna get our Memento Black. Let me close this up before I stick something in it by mistake. Get our Memento Black. And we're gonna ink up our sentiment from Seascapes. It says thank you. And that's gonna go right there. Take that off. And we're done with this. Let me see. Put that to the side. And we're gonna need the Baby Boss because we're gonna do some die cutting. I have my plates here, 1 and 2. We have some Pacific Point with some adhesive sheet on the back. And we have the little fish out of the die set. We're just gonna run this through and line up my plates. And because it has the adhesive sheets on the back, I'm gonna run it through multiple times to make sure it cuts through that adhesive sheet. And before I take the die off, I'll check, and it is cut through. So we're good. So let's go ahead and get this put together. We're gonna glue this down. Actually, we need to stamp one more thing before I glue it down. Actually, no. I have to place everything on there before I stamp that. So let's go ahead and get this adhered to its mat. Whoop. And did I say the mats are basic black? They are, if I didn't say it. This is basic black. We're gonna put that there. Then we're gonna put some adhesive on the back of this and center that right on here. I'll try to get it centered, you know, my centering. My kind of centering. We're gonna put that right there. Then we're gonna get our Take Your Pick tool and pop this die out. And I had to run this through a couple of times to make sure it cut through the adhesive sheet. There it is. Just be careful pulling this out if it doesn't pop out straight away, okay? Let's get our fish out of here. Come on, little fishies. Okay. Put that stuff to the side. And the first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and put this on. Let's see. Let's use the Take Your Pick tool. It might work better than my broken fingernails. There we go. I love this because it just makes it so easy to stick stuff down. So now we have our fish here cut out, and we are going to get the glue and just stick these down. So I'm just going to add a little glue to the back of these. And the good thing about these adhesive sheets, they are like, they give you time to stick things down before they're permanent. So you see how easy it was for me to lift that up? Put a little bit of glue on the back of this one. I'm gonna lift this up right here. I'm not sure how far down it's gonna go, so I just lift it up. And that one's gonna be about right there, like that. Then we're gonna get that stamp with our Pacific Point ink. Get our fish is trying to escape. And let's see, how do I have these bubbles like this? And we're just gonna put these about right there. That's so cute. And we're gonna glue this to the outside of our card base. Just get a little glue here. Make sure the edges and the corners are all secure on there. I'm gonna put this down right here. And then all we have left to do is add our final touches. So on the inside where these fish are going. Let me pull this closer to me. I'm sorry. No, I'm out of frame, but I can't see. So I'm gonna have one going this way, kind of slant it down. And the other one is made to go the opposite way, and he will be going up. Okay, so that's that. And for the outside, we have some bling. So I have some basic rhinestones here that we are going to use the smallest ones and put right for the eyes of the fish. Trying to get it all for the entire white part. Whoops. Number 2, just for you. And then the last embellishment we are using are the silver and clear epoxy essentials. We are going to be using the clear ones. They have circles, diamonds, and little water drops. So we're going to be putting them over some of these stamped bubbles. Let me see. I'll put one right here. If I can get it off my Take Your Pick tool. And one more. Where do you want to go? Down here maybe, or up here? Let's go up there. I like it right there. And that is our card done. Isn't it cute? I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So there we go. This is the one I made ahead of time. They're going to be different, as you can see, it's more a little splotchy on the watercolor shapes image, but I like it like that. It looks like water bubbles or something. Like not bubbles, but the like when the waves crash, whatever that makes. I can't think. It's late, you guys. I'm tired. But that's it. That's all I have for you guys. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.